Hey everybody, so this is a little tip for those of you growing oak leaf hydrangeas. Sometimes oak leaf hydrangeas will get a disease, it's a fungal disease called rust, and it looks like this. I've removed this leaf from the plant, which you should do, by the way. It's not going to get better, you cannot heal this, so pull this off so that the spores, the fungal spores will not spread in the rain or through irrigation onto your healthy leaves. Now, this is indicative of a mineral deficiency in the plant, and it's phosphorus. So if you have a sprayer, and I have this little cheapo, nice little sprayer, you can add garden phosphorus. And this is a liquid. It's an organic element, and you add what it directs you to do, which for me it is 2 teaspoons to this 2-gallon container. So please measure accordingly. Too much is not a good thing. And then when you apply it, you're going to apply it directly to the leaves early in the morning, and you don't want to disrupt any pollinators and get in their way. And you end up with these gorgeous green healthy leaves. So that is a quick little tip for you if you are seeing some fungal spores on your oak leaf hydrangeas. Treat it every 2 to 3 weeks. And happy gardening!